Dear student, welcome to online class. Hope you all are fine and safe. I am also fine. Actually, in COVID-19 crisis, we are facing a great trouble, but we have to continue our study. That's why we are taking online class to solve your problem or complete your syllabus. Dear student, I am Biplav Das, assistant teacher of Rajan RRC Government High School. Today I am going to take your English second paper for class 7 student. Welcome again to Rajan RRC Government High School page. It is an online education platform where we have been taking our classes to solve your problem. We are requested you to join us and enjoy the classes. First of all, what do you see in the picture? Dear student, good guess. A little boy is playing football. Now, a question for you. Do you guess today's lesson or today's topic? I think you may be in confusion to guess the topic. That's why I am going to make more three sentences to clear the concept which help you to understand today's lesson. First one, by using the picture I am going to write more three sentences. First one, I play football. I play football. Second one, I played football. Number three, I shall play football. First one, I play football, আমি ফুটবল খেলি. Second one, I played football, আমি ফুটবল খেলেছিলাম. And last one, I shall play football, আমি ফুটবল খেলবো. I hope you have understood today's lesson. Today's lesson is tense. Today's lesson is tense. Then today's learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, you will able to make 48 sentences by using one sentence based on affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. Dear student, you know that tenses are mainly divided into four parts: present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense example for you, I prepare my homework. Second one, past tense example for you, I prepared my homework. Then future tense example for you, I shall prepare my homework. Again, every or each tense is divided in four parts. First one, present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Again, similarly, future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Let's go next slide. Now we are going to know more information about tense. First one, 12 kind of tenses and their structure with examples. First one, present simple. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? A little girl is reading or writing or preparing her lesson, etc. Then present simple structure for you. First one, subject. Then you have to use here base form of verb, then extension. Suppose subject means I, base form of verb means prepare, object or extension my homework. By using the sentence, now we are going to make more three sentences like negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. Negative sentence, first one. Negative sentence, I do not prepare my homework. I, first one subject, then you have to use here does not or do not. So, I do not prepare my homework. Then we can make here a structure for you. Suppose subject. It is a very easy way to memorize the structure. First one, you have you can write a sentence, then you can make a structure. Suppose subject plus do not or does not plus verb with base form or verb 1 plus extension. Then we can turn into this sentence in interrogative. First one, you have to add here or write here auxiliary verb do or does. Do I prepare my homework? Do I prepare my homework? Then we can make the structure here. First one, do or does. Then subject. Then base form of verb plus extension or object. That is a interrogative structure. This is an interrogative structure. Then we are going to this sentence into negative interrogative. Negative interrogative. Negative interrogative. Don't try. Don't or doesn't you have to use here. Don't I prepare my homework. That is a negative interrogative sentence. Negative interrogative sentence. Don't I prepare my homework? A negative interrogative sentence. Dear student, let's go present continuous. You all see that a picture here. A little girl is preparing her lesson. Subject, structure, first one. Subject here. Then auxiliary verb am, is, are. Then base form of verb with ing. Then extension. Suppose subject means I. An auxiliary verb here am. Then base form prepare with ing, preparing. Object or extension my homework. This is a affirmative sentence. Now we are going to this sentence into negative interrogative and negative interrogative. This way. First one, I am not or I am not. Not mean negative. I am not prepared. Preparing my homework. This is a negative sentence. Now we can make this structure here. First one, subject. Then you have to add here am, is, are. Am, is, are, then not. Then base form of verb with ing. Verb 1 ing. Base form of verb means verbs 1. According to conjugation of verb, present form, past participle form. So we have here base form of verb with ing plus extension or object. Now we are going to make this sentence into interrogative. First one, am I? Interrogative. Am I preparing? Am I preparing? Preparing my homework. Then we make this sentence in negative interrogative. We can make a structure here. Am, is, are plus subject plus base form of verb with ing, ing plus object or extension. Now we are going to negative interrogative sentence. First one, negative interrogative, ain't or aren't. Ain't I preparing my homework. You have to add here interrogative sign. So we have completed. Present continuous tense and based on negative interrogative and negative interrogative and negative interrogative. Then we are going to know about present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, first one, subject plus have or has plus base form, verb with past participle plus extension. Suppose subject means I, then have verb here, participle form of verb means prepared, then extension my homework. You know that this is an affirmative sentence. Now you are going to turn into in negative interrogative and interrogative. First one, negative sentence. I have not prepared my homework. We make a structure here. First one, subject plus have or has plus not plus verb 3 or participle form of verb plus extension or object. This is a negative sentence. Then we are going to make the sentence in interrogative. Interrogative means first one, have or has. So have I prepared my lesson, not homework. Prepared my homework. Then I make this sentence in again negative interrogative. Negative interrogative, haven't I? Haven't I prepared? Prepared my homework. Haven't I prepared my homework? Then I make this structure here according to negative interrogative sentence. First one, haven't or hasn't plus subject plus verb with participle form of verb 3 plus object or extension, you have to add here interrogative sign. Dear student, we have completed three parts of present tense. First one present simple, second one present continuous, and third one present perfect continuous, present perfect. Then we are going to know about present perfect continuous. First one, subject plus have or has plus being plus base form of verb with ing plus object plus for plus since plus extension. Suppose subject means I, have verb here be, then base form of verb prepare and ing, so preparing, then object means my homework, then preposition you have to add here for, then extension and hour. A note for you, when you period of time you have to use for, otherwise point of time you have to use sentence since. Suppose I can give you an example such as I have been teaching at Raujan RRC Government High School in Raujan since 2001. Since 2001 means point of time. Dear student, now you have to complete other three sentences, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative, by using the sentence like thus way. Thus way you have to turn into the sentence or change into the sentence negative, interrogative and interrogative. We also called the sentence is conversion of sentence. So then we are going to next part. First simple. First simple means first one you have to write here subject verb, first form of verb plus extension. Subject means one, verb first form prepared, and extension means my homework. This is a affirmative sentence. According to this way, now you have to make the sentence in negative interrogative and negative interrogative. Prepared and extension means my homework. This is a affirmative sentence. According to this way, now you have to make the sentence in negative interrogative and negative interrogative. I am going to finish today's lesson. Then I will give you a simple homework by using following sentence. By using following sentence, you will make more 24 sentences. The sentence is Sultana works in her garden, such as this is an affirmative sentence. Now you have to turn into negatives. Sultana does not work in her garden. You make this sentence in interrogative. Does Sultana work in her garden? And negative interrogative sentence, doesn't Sultana work in her garden? Thus way you have to make 24 sentence by using the sentence. I hope you will able to make the sentence, and I think you enjoy the class. I invite you to join next class. Thanks again.